guys, we have four new
Which speaker is this?
golden ultra speaker.
Golden Ultra speaker. Okay, how many buttons it has? How many buttons?
And mode.
Which button is this?
It's mode, and this is
The first one is for mode. The second one is for?
mode.
Okay. Second one is for volume.
Volume.
And the third one is also for volume. And the fourth one is for?
Volume.
For options.
For option.
Which options?
For option.
FM.
FM 101.
FM 101. Okay.
And this is connections.
Okay.
And this speaker, you put speaker.
Okay.
I can put speaker.
Okay. How many cables it has? How many options it has over the top here? Here. Can you show to the camera? Can you show it to the camera? Yeah.
It's a USB.
Okay. What options it has? What is that? This pin. This is
Handle.
no, this is handled, yes. And this option? This is for?
USB.
USB cable. And this one?
Card.
Cards, yeah. And this one?
This is in charge.
Okay, it's for charger. And this one?
Is S mode.
Aux. Okay. And this one?
Power off, power on.
Power off, power on. So here you guys, you have this FM and Bluetooth speaker. It is very nice. And what is that? What is that?
Is that I can plug on a speaker.
The charging cable. Okay. Okay.
I can on.
Okay. And you can charge it with the laptop also, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. If you
Morning.
yeah.
Oh, is that problem?
There is some problem in that, maybe some problem in the cable, but you can charge it with the laptop also if you have your cable properly working.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Take care of yourself.
Wait.
What?
I have the speakers on.
You can turn it on. It will.
LED.
Okay. LED lights here. Yeah. Okay.
89@gmail.com.
Yeah.
बन जाए
Can we connect it with Bluetooth?
Yeah.
Can you please connect it with the Bluetooth with my phone?
Yeah, I can connect.
How to connect it with the Bluetooth? Where shall we go first? In settings,
Yeah.
then and Bluetooth, and then select what?
Is that in go?
Yeah. Go to the Bluetooth, then select Golden Ultra speaker.
It's coming.
Okay. Yeah, it's connected. Good. Can you run something for us? Can you play something? No, it's not working.
No, it's not working.
Play some sound.
And headphone.
Okay.
It's coming.
So this is how it works.
And this one. Okay.